Hello and welcome back to Digital Assets Daily. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are in your corner of the world. BIGG Digital Assets Inc. subsidiary blockchain intelligence group launches Ripple XRP and Stellar XLM on the BitRank verified risk scoring service. BitRank Verified provides financial organizations with the ability to get a risk score on an address or a transaction, allowing for the quick risk assessment of whether funds have been involved in nefarious activity. XRP is a digital asset built for payments. It is the native digital asset on the XRP ledger, an open source, permissionless, and decentralized blockchain technology that can settle transactions in 3 to 5 seconds. XRP can be sent directly without needing a central intermediary, making it a convenient instrument in bridging two different currencies quickly and efficiently. Stellar makes it possible to create, send, and trade digital representations of all forms of money: dollars, pesos, Bitcoin, pretty much anything. It's designed so all the world's financial systems can work together on a single network. BIGG's president Lance Morgan commented, adding the Ripple and Stellar blockchains to BitRank Verified further enhances the ability of any organization involved in crypto compliance and investigations to perform their duties. And I think that is pretty massive, especially if you are an XRP or XLM investor and holder, because this is only the snowflake on the tip of the iceberg of what is to come. On the next article, the U.S. crypto fintech firms to benefit from the slimmed down regulatory process, and the money transmitters like Western Union, PayPal, and cryptocurrency firms will be able to more easily expand across the United States after 48 state regulators agreed to a single set of supervisory rules that should reduce their compliant costs. The Conference of State Bank Supervisors, the CSBS, on Tuesday will reveal the new regulatory regime for money services businesses, which will undergo a single exam by a joint group of state regulators that oversee licensing instead of dozens of individual state exams. The new streamlined regimes apply to 78 large payment and cryptocurrency firms, which combined move over $1 trillion USD annually. It aims to make it easier for companies to operate across multiple states, and the CSBS told Reuters. State regulators have been working together in recent years to address company complaints that the state-by-state supervisory system is redundant and overly burdensome. Cryptocurrency and fintech firms, which typically have to be licensed state by state, have been particularly vocal about the problem. Under the new arrangement, a group of examiners from a handful of states will jointly supervise a business instead of each individual state. And that will help the adoption move along much faster, having a lot more simplified regulatory clarity for digital assets. And I want to thank @XRP Commander for sending me that article. I think that is an excellent article and goes perfectly with what we've been discussing for the past week. The U.S. Faster Payments Council names Federal Reserve Officer to Board Advisory Group. By Connie Thean, the Senior Vice President and Director, Payments Industry Relations, Federal Reserve Bank of Chicago, says that she is honored and excited to participate in the U.S. Faster Payments Council's FPC, newly formed FPC Board Advisory Group. And this group will advise the FPC by providing industry-wide perspectives and assisting in responding to trends in the faster payments market. And I clicked on the link here as I wanted to share that information as well. In regards to the U.S. Faster Payment Council, they announced the inaugural board advisory group. So the FPC, a membership organization devoted to advancing faster payments in the U.S., today announced its newly formed FPC Board Advisory Group, which is a standing body authorized by the FPC Board of Directors. And the Board Advisory Group will advise the FPC Board of Directors and FPC staff by providing additional perspectives outside those represented on the board and assisting the FPC in capitalizing on and responding to trends in the faster payments markets. Another pretty exciting, unexpected article I would like to discuss for our final article in this video is XinFin's XDC network will integrate Chainlink oracles to power new trade finance use cases. XinFin XDC network is excited to announce planned integration with Chainlink, the market-leading decentralized oracle network. XinFin XDC network is excited to announce our planned integration with Chainlink, the market-leading decentralized oracle network, to bring off-chain resources to our trade finance platform. Our initial integration will be focused on using Chainlink's price reference data framework to launch decentralized price feeds for HKD-USD, the SGD-USD, and the AED-USD. These FX rates provide XinFin users with decentralized and transparent exchange rates for popular national currencies like the Hong Kong dollar, the Singaporean dollar, and Arab Emirates dollar, which can be used to automate cross-border trade and financing via XinFin smart contracts. The global trade finance market is highly complex, made up of millions of disparate systems that have no common medium for which to communicate and reconcile in a highly reliable way. This limits the network effects that they can achieve and ultimately adds more overhead to processes, such as manual input, third-party intermediaries, reconciliation and litigation, and more. XinFin is a network of networks that connects various distributed ledger technology, which is the DLT, and traditional back-end systems together to facilitate a more seamless and cost-effective global trade finance experience for all parties. Our technology is cross-chain compatible and scalable. For example, XinFin XDC, the network is highly compatible with the Ethereum network, lowering the gas fees by nearly 1/1000th and enabling 2-second transaction finality. In order to expand the capabilities of XinFin, we need to access to off-chain resources such as data feeds, APIs, and payment methods that are specific to trade finance use cases like commodities, metals, and Forex. Not only is this data important, but obtaining it in a highly secure and reliable manner is critical to retain the benefits provided by XinFin's underlying blockchain platform. And Chainlink is the most widely adopted decentralized oracle network today, collectively securing billions of dollars in value for many top decentralized applications. In our assessment of Chainlink versus other oracle networks, one of the reasons it stands out is because its oracles have built-in credential management capabilities, allowing them to access any API, such as premium data, behind paywalls and within back-end enterprise systems. No serious trade financing operation will trigger the automation of large value transactions based on data from open or free APIs with unreliable guarantees on their quality. So we plan to leverage Chainlink's ability to obtain high quality data and combine it with its decentralized oracle infrastructure made up of numerous independent security reviewed nodes to create decentralized FX rates that can be used by our customers engaging in global trade. And in addition, we can use Chainlink to make virtually any off-chain data resource available to our platform users like commodity prices, traditional payment systems, IoT networks, and much more. We chose Chainlink because oracles are a critical component of the trade finance ecosystem, and Chainlink is the clear market leader in live, decentralized oracles with enterprise quality data and a track record of providing value to the DeFi ecosystem and large enterprises like Google, Oracle, and Swift, said Atul Kikade, the co-founder of XinFin Network. We plan to use Chainlink to greatly expand the amount of on-chain resources our users have access to while retaining the critical security benefits they receive around decentralized security. And Dan Kokis, the head of Chainlink Business Development, commented on the integration, said, "We're excited to empower the expansion of the XinFin network by providing its trade finance ecosystem with secure and reliable oracles. Bringing decentralized FX rates to XinFin lays the foundation for a more seamless global trade experience for XinFin buyers, sellers, and bankers." I'm going to leave you with a final thought. If you hear a voice within you say, "You cannot paint," then by all means paint, and that voice will be silenced. Again, guys, remember, this is not financial advice. It is for entertainment purposes only. All articles, as always, will be available in the description below, as well as our affiliate links if you find that it helps make your investment a much wiser and safer position. Much love to each and every one of you, and we will catch you in the next one.